Good morning. How you guys doing? What are your guys' names?
Lucy. Gloria.
What are we doing today?
We're going skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes? Whose idea was this?
Hers.
Your idea?
Yes.
All right. It's your birthday, I hear. Happy birthday.
Thank you. It is.
Anything you'd want to say to anybody watching this video?
Maria, Abraham, my babies, I love you. My husband, why did you make me do this?
Get you a sister who goes skydiving with you.
Literally. You're welcome.
You guys ready to have some fun?
Yes.
You're gonna go up high, come down really fast.
Yes.
Sound like a plan?
Land safely.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Heck yeah.
Right on. You guys oh my, we found an airplane. You guys excited or what?
Yeah.
Gonna go have some fun?
Yeah. Let's go, baby.
All right, let's get in this thing. Go skydiving. Let's do it. Oh yeah.
Do a big left turn.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Hold on really hard. That's all you. You just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
I feel like a badass.
Yeah? Fuck yeah. What was your favorite part?
I would say my favorite part is yanking and controlling the parachute.
Steering the parachute?
That was so
Heck
cool.
yeah. Would you do it again?
Yes.
That's what we like to hear. Thanks for jumping with us.
Yes, let's go.